Annyeong doobies! Have you ever wondered what Googlers eat for lunch? A couple weeks back, I visited the brand new Google office in Tokyo with my friend Miguel. They recently changed location from their old Roppongi office to Shibuya, and it spans from floor 4 to 35. Google offers free lunch for its employees and their guests, so we decided to eat at their Japanese canteen, Cafe Yui. When you first walk in, you're met with a huge selection of Japanese home-style meals, but perhaps the most scrumptious is the view. You can see Tokyo Tower from this view. I could be full from this view alone. Just kidding. I got stir-fried okra and green pepper, smoked salmon and cabbage with wasabi soy sauce, simmered root veg, stir-fried wood ear mushroom and green pepper, tempura shrimp, pork miso udon, and they even had a little teppanyaki grill section with grilled salmon. But the highlight of this canteen is definitely the curry bar. Today they had coconut vegetable curry and I had it with some gobo burdock rice. When I think of canteen food, the Pavlov's dog inside me gets instant PTSD of horrible school lunches, but this canteen experience was so good that it masked all that trauma. If it wasn't for the fear of layoffs, I'd love to work here and eat lunch, so Google Japan, if you're ever in need of a professional fat ass, hit me up at doobie-doo-bop.